Working in an office seems like a safe job compared to other types of work. After all, you won't find heavy equipment, machinery, or industrial chemicals in office environments. However, this doesn't mean there aren't safety hazards in the office. There are. The office is a unique work environment with unique hazards that need to be addressed in order to maintain a safe and healthful workplace for everyone. That's the purpose of this program, to provide you with a general overview of the safety hazards present in the office and outline steps that you can take to minimize risk. The first step is to keep your work area neat, clean, and organized. A messy desk is an invitation to disaster. Be aware of tripping hazards. Slips, trips, and falls can be prevented. All it takes is a little knowledge and the decision to do your part for workplace safety. Never leave file drawers open. If you discover an open drawer, close it before someone trips and is injured. Electrical cords for computers and other office machines are becoming more prevalent as technology advances. Keep these cords tucked away out of traffic areas. Loose or folded carpet can also cause a trip and fall. Remember, if you see a hazard, correct it or notify your supervisor so it can be corrected. If liquid is spilled on the floor, clean it up immediately and place a caution sign in the area to alert others. Be aware of areas that may be wet or slippery. If you're carrying coffee, tea, or other hot liquids, go slowly and exercise caution to avoid a spill. Most slips and falls can be prevented by being aware of hazards and watching where you walk. If you need to reach something up high, use a proper ladder or step stool. Never stand on chairs, boxes, or other makeshift platforms. You may need to lift something during your workday. No matter how small the item is, check how heavy it is before you start to lift. And remember to bend your legs and not your back when lifting. If the item is too heavy to lift alone, stop and ask for assistance. When going up or downstairs, always hold the handrail. Never attempt to carry anything up or down stairs. If you must use equipment such as a paper cutter, always exercise caution. Keep your hands and fingers out of the cutting path. Electrical equipment such as calculators, computers, fans, coffee pots, and others must be inspected frequently to make sure they are in proper working order. Check the plug to make sure it's in good condition and check the cord for any frays, cracks, or exposed wires. If you use chemicals for cleaning or any other purpose, always read the label and follow manufacturer's instruction and wear any personal protective equipment that is recommended before use. Knowing the nature and risk of the chemicals you use will ensure that you'll use them safely and properly. In today's office environment, employees may spend long periods at their workstations. For this reason, it's important that your workstation is adjusted properly. We call this ergonomics. Your chair should be adjusted so your feet rest comfortably on the floor. Your screen should be approximately 18 to 24 inches from your eyes and at a height that allows you to see it clearly without bending your neck. Your keyboard should be arranged so typing can be done with your arms at a 90-degree angle with your wrists straight. Your mouse should be at the same level as your keyboard to prevent reaching. When moving your mouse, move your whole arm instead of twisting your wrist. Take frequent mini breaks to rest your eyes and perform some simple stretching exercises. You'll find that mini breaks make you feel better and improve your efficiency. And remember to tell your supervisor if you feel any unusual aches and pains. No one knows your work area better than you, so it's your responsibility that your workstation is adjusted properly. Safety is a team effort. Everyone must work together for safety. If you notice a hazard, report it to your supervisor immediately so it can be corrected. Because what's more important than your safety and the safety of your colleagues? Take the time for safety. We know the office can be a busy place, But if you take shortcuts or risks when you're in a hurry, you're putting yourself and others at risk. Prevent accidents. Don't cause them. You should also be aware of emergency evacuation procedures. In the event of a fire or other emergency, there's no time for uncertainty. Know the location of all emergency exits and become familiar with evacuation routes so that you can exit calmly and safely. Above all, make a personal commitment to safety. We can't possibly cover every safety hazard you may encounter in this short program. That's why we ask you to use your common sense and good judgment on every job, every day. If you don't think a job is safe, we don't want you to do it. Never take risks. Consult your supervisor immediately if you ever have a question about safety. By working together, we can reduce accidents and injuries. Thank you.